Okay, Mike Hughes here. I'm at Murex Resorts, and where you can dive, snorkel, explore more beautiful North Sulawesi. And now we're looking at Bunaken, Bangka, and Lembeh, and we've got a Passport to Paradise program. Tarkan, would you tell us a little bit about that?
Sure. Hi everyone. How are you? Okay, so if you look into the maps, first of all, we can actually see where North Sulawesi is.
Right.
For those of you who don't know, in Indonesia.
The tail of the lizard.
Exactly. It's like that weird shape of the island is North Sulawesi. So this is Borneo and Singapore right here. Up north is the Malaysia and then Thailand, and this is Philippines right here. And this is where we are. And when you look into the North Sulawesi tip, which is this right here, and this is what you see right there.
Right there.
Exactly. So, and here, the Passport to Paradise is a very interesting product that we've been actually using it for the last 4 or 5 years. So this what's happening is that you can go diving in the tip of North Sulawesi and you can get 3 distinct dive destinations. In Murex, where you have the Bunaken National Park, you have the beautiful walls, beautiful corals, lots of schooling fish.
Chance to see the coelacanth possibly?
Oh yeah, well, I mean, hey, okay. But you can actually do a lot of drift dives with it.
Right.
And you can see like pot of dolphins, pot of pilot whales, you know, the sharks and so on, and tons of turtles.
iPods too?
Yeah, iPods no, because it's pretty deep, unfortunately. You know, it's very deep. But now, and then you have the Bangka Islands, which is right here. As you can see, it's more like a Robinson Crusoe kind of style, white sandy beach, jungle is coming into the beach, and the bungalows are right by the beach as well. It's a super relaxed area. It's more like a barefoot, and you know, you just chill. It's more about the reef diving. Yeah, you can do lots of other things in here as well. But you can actually do the reef dive style and full of colorful reefs, very healthy reefs as well. And again, like schools of fish, sometimes even dugongs you can actually see.
Oh, nice.
Exactly, if you're lucky in the right time, right place, and beautiful corals and so on. So, and then you have the Lembeh Strait, which is the capital of critters.
Right.
Mecca of mud diving.
I'll just go real close down here, the whole strait. Takes 1 hour to get there from Bangka.
So the great thing about this package is that it works seamless, because what you do is once you reach to one destination from your hometown, you stay there for 4 nights, and then you pack your things, you just leave it in the room, we come and pick your luggage, and then we take it to the next resort.
Perfect.
And in the meantime, you do the boat transfer with the 2 dives in between.
Nice.
So you don't lose a diving day.
Wow, you just dive and find your clothes in a different resort.
Once you get to the next resort, your luggage magically appears in your room. Okay, boom. So you can do the 2 dives on the way, and then you get to the next resort. And the lunchtime, you have your lunch. You still have time to, if you want to go for the 3rd dive, or if you want to do the night dive as well.
Right.
And then it's the same thing from there to Lembeh. Again, the boat transfers. Again, you do 2 dives in between, and then you get to the 3rd resort. And the great thing about this package as well is tailor-made to your needs. So if your time frame, say 12 nights for the whole duration of your stay, you can actually choose to stay in one resort for 5 nights, one resort for 3 nights, or the other resort for 4 nights. Or you can do 4, 4, 4. It's totally what you want to have.
Okay.
It's a very popular package right now, product.
Oh yeah, and I can see why.
Yeah, absolutely. 3 distinctive dive destinations, completely different styles in one holiday.
So if they wanted more information, they're going to go to murexresorts.com?
Yep, or lambehresort.com. You can actually get all this information from there. We do have
We're going to look over here real quick.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the Dima specials.
Exactly. We have the Dima specials at the moment.
Okay, but this will be on YouTube. And so when they look at this on YouTube 10 years from now, it's still going to be part of...
Yes. Yeah, well, I mean...
a different passport system by then.
Exactly.
All right.
And also three totally different style of resorts as well. So it changes as you go from one location to another.
Yeah, that's a mountain and hiking up there, and then over in the middle one, well,
you know what?
You have the dugongs, you're fine.
It's not so much a mountain as well, like maybe, I don't know, 30, 40 steps going into your bungalows.
Oh, that far? 30 or 40 steps?
It's good for your legs. It's more cardiovascular. Because the food is very good as well. The food is very good too. So
there we go.
You need that exercise after a while.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Pleasure.